two, and then the three, and then the four, then you gotta breathe. One and then the two, and then the three, and then the four, then you gotta breathe. Then you gotta, Yo, these niggas can't breathe when I come through, hum through.
Ladies and gentlemen, the greatest judge of all times. Been on TV and has changed lives and made a difference. Straight out of D-Town. Turned his life completely around. What a great example of a comeback. Ladies and gentlemen, Judge Greg Masters.
Woohoo!
Good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
I'm headed to Beans and Cornbread this evening here in Detroit.
Boy, they bout it.
That's right. That's my vote. All right.
All right, let's go, Judge.
You ready, Judge?
Yes, sir.
Line 1, Samantha out of New York, New York.
Samantha, say hello to the judge.
Good morning, Judge Mathis. Good morning, morning crew.
Morning, Samantha.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Judge, in 1996, I was on public assistance. I received a letter from the city of New York stating that they overpaid me due to administrative error in January, and they're asking for back pay for $8,546.45 from March 1996.
When did they send you the bill?
January 15th, 2013.
Okay, I'm not sure if you can argue statute of limitations. The statute of limitations begins at the time they discovered a mistake, and I'm not sure when they discovered it. Secondly, those are so hard to fight with the state because their presumption is that you knew you were receiving money that you weren't owed. And so therefore they expected you to volunteer and give it back or see why you were getting all that money. But yeah, that's what they do, and they do have a legal right. The best I can tell you is to let them take you to court. Or no, I don't want you to mess your credit up first. Call your consumer affairs agency there in New York and see what they advise you to do, all right? Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Samantha.
Some very useful. What year you say this happened?
March 96.
Here's a couple of things you can use. These are 3 methods I've tried. Just gonna buy you a lot of time.
Okay.
Number 1, type a letter to them, and all this letter says is, I don't know what the hell you talking about. Now, they're going to write you back. Then your next letter just has these words on it. Can't get blood from a turnip.
Okay.
Okay.
No, listen to me. I'm just telling you what you got to do. And then the third response you have is none at all. Ignore the notification, act like you never got it, and move.
Really?
What?
Really, dude?
Thank you for calling.
I cannot.
Who you got next, girl?
Line 4, Helen. Oh, that's my mom's name. Out of Brooklyn.
Helen, say hello to the judge.
Good morning, Judge Mathis, and good morning, morning crew.
Hey there, how can I help you?
Yes, Judge, I was trying to get my disability pension from night shift. Injured at work after 20-something years on my job. I presented the proof, I've told the truth, I've shown the MRIs, but they're not interested in those. Refused me twice. What can I do? Who oversees this board? I'm out here with no medical and injured. I'm out here with no income. My bills are going on. My mortgage is just horrible. This is not fair.
I'm so sorry to hear it. There's 2 avenues you might want to take before having to get a lawyer, or you may do them simultaneously, and that is file a claim at the EEOC if you feel that you've been discriminated against, or go to the Labor Department there in your state and plead your case with them. Ultimately, you may have to get a lawyer, disability lawyer. That's why you see all those commercials, because this is routine. Most people don't, companies, etc., don't want to pay disability, nor does the government when you file with them. So in which case you have to get a lawyer. All right? Good luck.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am?
Yes, Steve.
What did you hurt?
I have irreversible neurological damages I had in my neck. I had surgery already, metal in my neck,
Right.
Put the metal going down.
And you can't talk clear?
Excuse me?
Harvey.
It's one of the symptoms, you can't talk clear?
Well, I'm a little nervous now. I'm a little nervous, but the headache, still have a headache right
Yeah,
now.
that's what I'm
And
hearing.
this is what I'm dealing with every day.
Really,
Right.
Steve?
Record this conversation.
And then listen to it.
Send that down there to him. And then,
Done.
What?
We've done several things, my doctors and I. We have done, my attorneys and I. He's been deposed on the phone. We've been down there. They've refused me twice. I've got a union attorney. I've exhausted all those things, and they said now their doctors have said the disabilities are there, but they're refusing to pay me. I can't understand it. This is not right.
If you have a lawyer, ma'am, I can't understand what happened there, because either the judge will dismiss it or he'll grant it, and then your lawyer can appeal. Your lawyer can appeal for you. I don't know what's really going on. Go to the Labor Department as I suggested. All right. Good luck.
Okay. Thank you.
She's having a hard time with
I
this.
have some more information. See, you sound like you was a judge. I know they don't you 1,000% right, Judge. She act like she didn't want to hear it. So
Yes.
I tell her, how to handle hood style.
How you gonna have
Record this conversation right here. Everybody gonna know something wrong.
Steve, really? Go to AskJudgeMathis.com or hit him up on Twitter at Judge Greg Mathis. We will be back in 5 minutes with more of your legal questions. Call us 877-29-STEVE. You're listening.
Okay, go ahead.
All right, Judge. Line 5. Let's go to Karen out of Memphis.
Karen out of Memphis, say hello to the judge.
Hello, Judge Mathis. How are you?
Fine. How can I help you?
I have a question. I have a friend who has a shop, and they told me I could park my vehicle there, as helping me out so I wouldn't have to pay storage. And now I want to go get my vehicle, and they're telling me they're not going to release it until I pay them.
Pay them for what? Storage fees?
He didn't say. He just said, I'm not going to release it until
Okay, you should
pay.
probably ask. You should probably ask if he said he was keeping your car and wouldn't tell you why. Just telling you he's keeping it and telling you to pay. You should ask what to pay for. I suspect he's asking for storage fees, and unless you agreed up front, you shouldn't owe the storage fee. And if they still won't release your car, if you explain to them you have to agree to such a fee up front, then you can write them a letter, threaten to take them to the both the police and to civil court, all right, and then do so. I would make a police report saying they're withholding your goods. It's called criminal conversion. They're converting your car to their use, et cetera, et cetera. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am,
Uh-huh.
how long has this man been your friend?
A long time.
Y'all ever slept together?
That's good too.
Yeah, we did. We used to,
Okay.
we used to go boyfriend.
Okay. Now,
I think it's
see.
not retaliation.
Okay. Now, these ain't storage fees he looking for.
Hello.
See, let's get rid of the term storage
Oh,
fee.
Karen.
Your friend wants to sleep with you again. Now, to get your car back, this is how you get your car back.
If you want it.
You got to sleep with your friend again. You knew that when you gave him the damn car. You ain't got no money to put it in storage. How you gonna have some money to get it out? He know that.
Right.
And he old. How old is he?
He's 62.
What I tell you? This is an old school ass move right here. This old school player move right here. This straight up Memphis. Now you got to sleep with him, get your car back, and then it sound kind of funny. You ain't appalled by the notion or the thought. Go on down there and get your car back.
You're telling her to sleep
No, you
with
did.
him?
You already know what's up. She laughing. The lady laughing. Y'all act like this is some real deal. A friend of mine owned a shop. You knew the deal when you took your car down there. You didn't have no money. What you still messing with him for? You still messing with him because you want to mess with him. Let's cut this out. Ask her, Shirley.
Karen.
Steve know what he's talking about on that. He treated me like a square, but Steve saw through the
Come on, man. Thank you,
my
Judge.
goodness.
Yeah, oh my goodness. Yeah, I know. Man, I guess I'll go down here and get my car this evening.
Oh,
Yeah, I know.
man.
Thank you, baby. Appreciate the call. You know what's up. Let's go, Sean.
Thank you, Karen.
Oh,
Line
oh, my
two.
goodness. Oh, my goodness. Hell.
Line 2, Tanisha out of Long Island.
My whole life.
Hi,
Tanisha.
good morning. Yes.
Yeah, go ahead,
Good morning,
Tanisha.
morning crew. Good morning, Judge Mathis.
Go ahead.
Hello, how can I help you?
Yes, I have a very important question. Recently, I just bought a car, and an associate of mine came to the dealership with me because I had high accidents prior to this. They told me my car insurance would be high, so I put the insurance in her name. We had a falling out, and she came and stole the plates off my car. I paid the insurance off for the whole year, and the registration is in her name along with the insurance. How do I go about this?
Well, it sounds like you're going to have to take it to civil court, probably small claims. People do that all the time, and ultimately what it ends up being is the rights. Who has the rights based on who paid for what? And I don't know whose title is.
The title's in my name.
Okay, then you have all the rights. And what I would do is go and get a separate set of insurance and plates because it's in your name, and then sue her for the money you spent toward the plates and insurance for her. Good luck.
Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
let me
Hi,
ask you something. Hey, babe, this associate, is this an associate, as in you all seeing each other?
Oh,
No, this is a friend. This is a girlfriend of mine.
Yes, I don't care. I don't care. Don't matter. I ain't in your business. I'm just trying to get to the bottom of this. I ain't in your business. You sleep with who you want to sleep with. But somebody in this scenario sleeping with each other. Everybody out there just doing favors like this.
I love you, Steve, and I love you, Judge Mathis. I watch your show every day.
I know. I was right, wasn't I? Thank you.
Yes.
I know. Thank you, baby. Thank you for calling.
crazy.
Yeah, it's two lovers. That's all.
Is everybody messing around, leave their car with
Sit
somebody?
down there, went to get the tags. Don't no woman. That's a love pour. I took the tags off her car. They're lovers. Don't no friends do that to their friends. This a passion crime here.
Crime of passion.
Cutting tires and busting windows. That's a crime of passion. Stop all this. I don't care what they do. That's what this is. These two women seeing each other. You so crazy, Steve. No, the hell I ain't.
Go to AskJudgeMathis.com or tweet him at Judge Greg Mathis. Thank you, judges, always.
Thanks, Judge.
We love you.
Love you, baby.
Baby, rolling with my baby, gripping on a toy that you won't find at KB. I rhyme slick on you. They gon' have to put the Heimlich on you. What you know about letting dimes lick on you while you inhale the weed, and it won't stop till they inhale your seed, and it don't stop till I tell them to breathe. Like a doctor with a stethoscope, I don't see no fucking hope unless these motherfuckers. Yeah, Brooklyn got her, Uptown got her, the Bronx got her, Queens got her, Staten Island got her, you niggas got her, you bitches got her, everybody. One and then the two and then the three and then the four, then you got her, then you got her, then you got her. Breathe.